Remember, remember the 5th of November, gunpowder treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Hello everyone. This rhyme is strongly associated with an event that will occur at the beginning of next month on the 5th of November, namely Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night. It's a tradition in Britain, celebrated all over Britain, and I suggest that we have a look at the historical background to this and also at the present day traditions that go with Bonfire Night. For the background to Bonfire Night, we have to go back to the 17th century and talk about the so-called gunpowder plot and the figure of Guy Fawkes. Under the rule of King James I, there was an attempt to assassinate him by a group of Catholics, regional group of Catholics. They wanted to blow up Parliament on the day of the state opening of Parliament on the 5th of November 1605. Their intention was to put James's daughter, Elizabeth, 9-year-old, on the throne as a Catholic monarch. However, probably after an anonymous tip, Guy Fawkes was discovered in the cellars of the Parliament building with 36 barrels of gunpowder, ready to blow up Parliament. Of course, he was arrested, and a new tradition arose. Tradition to celebrate the failing of the plot with the ringing of bells, church bells, bonfires and fireworks. Today, the British still celebrate Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night on the 5th of November. Big bonfires are lit all over the country, and most cities and towns organize fireworks displays. Individuals also light their own fireworks. Children will make so-called guys, basically dolls that are meant to be effigies of Guy Fawkes, in the week leading up to Bonfire Night. They parade them through their neighborhoods, asking for a penny for the guy. And on the night of the 5th of November, the effigies are burned. Again, many towns provide very big guys that are then ritually burned. Ever since the publication of the graphic novel V for Vendetta and the subsequent film, Guy Fawkes masks have appeared everywhere as a symbol of rebellion and anonymity. Certainly in Britain, in spite of being burned every year, Guy Fawkes is still very much alive in the tradition of Bonfire Night.